Hello everyone, welcome back to Technicalomor YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a little different from our usual gadget reviews. But it's something that can actually be very useful in everyday life. Sometimes you feel itchiness inside your ear, maybe a little irritation, or you just feel like something isn't right. Most of the time, we try to guess what's happening using a cotton bud, or we simply ignore it. But the truth is, we really don't know what's going on inside our ears. That's where a device like an otoscope becomes interesting. Today, we're looking at three different models from Scopearound: the SA39W, the SA160 and the SA200. These are small ear inspection cameras that let you see inside your ear using a tiny camera and LED lights. And just to be clear, we are not medical professionals. These devices are not meant to replace doctors. They simply help you check things at home and understand what might be going on. Let's start with a quick unboxing. The packaging is simple and practical. Inside the box, you get the otoscope device, some software tips for safe inspection, a charging cable depending on the model, and a user manual. Some models also includes an 8GB memory card, so you can save photos and videos. Overall, everything is straightforward and easy to set up. First, let's talk about the Scopearound SA39W. This model works with your smartphone. It has a very slim 3.9mm camera tip designed to comfortably enter the ear canal. The camera captures HD visuals and there are LED lights around the lens so you can clearly see inside the ear. To use it, you simply connect the device to your phone through Wi-Fi and open the Smart Endoscope app. Once connected, you will see the live camera feed directly on your phone screen. It also offers two viewing modes. You can watch the live image in full screen or use the split screen mode to compare a previous image with the current live view. For the video, this can look really interesting. While talking about ear health, you can show a split screen format. On one side, the person using the device, on the other side, the live camera view from inside the ear. It makes the content much more engaging and easier to understand. Think about a real-life scenario. Let's say your ear suddenly feels itchy or uncomfortable. Normally, you might grab a cotton bud and try to guess what's inside. But with a device like this, you can actually check before do anything. Maybe it's just earwax, maybe it's irritation, or maybe everything is completely normal. Another cool thing about the SA39W is that it's not limited to ear checks. Since it's basically a small inception camera, you can also use it to check your nose, look at your scalp, or examine small areas of skin. For example, you could check your scalp to see dandruff or hair roots more closely. You could also zoom in on small things like splinters, tiny rashes, or small cuts to understand them better. Now, let's move on to the second model, the Scopearound SA160. This one is designed to be even simpler. Instead of connecting to a phone, it comes with its own built-in IPS screen. So, the experience is very straightforward. Just power it on and you instantly see the camera view on the screen. No apps, no phone connection needed. Just like the previous model, it uses a 3.9mm slim lens and 6 LED lights to brighten the ear canal. The brightness can also be adjusted depending on what you need. The slim design makes it gentle and comfortable for different users, which is why it works well as a family-friendly device. This model can also capture photos and videos, and it includes an 8GB memory card so you can save what you see. That can be helpful if you want to track changes or share the footage with a doctor later. Finally, let's talk about the Scopearound SA200. This one feels like the more advanced option. It also has a built-in screen, but the design is more compact and modern with a 1.85-inch IPS display. Like other models, it uses a 3.9mm ultra-thin lens with LED lights for clear viewing. But this one also offers 3 levels of magnification, so you can zoom in and see details more closely if needed. It also includes a built-in battery and supports photo and video recording with an included 8GB memory card. Just like the others, you can use it not only for ears but also for checking scalp condition or small skin areas when you want a closer look. At the end of the day, these devices are really about curiosity and convenience. Instead of guessing what's happening inside your ear, you can actually see it. And for videos showing the real camera feed while explaining things, makes the content much more engaging. Between these three models, SA39W is great if you prefer using smartphone screen. The SA160 is perfect if you want a simple device with its own display, and the SA200 add features like magnification and a more refined design. Again, these tools are not medical replacements, but they can definitely help you understand what's happening with your ear, scalp or skin before taking the next step. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this different type of gadget review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Technicalomor, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.